Hi, I'm Georgia Griffith, and I came to Texoma Wellness a couple of years ago when I moved to town. I've been under chiropractic care from where I moved from, and I waited several months before coming here. I heard about Texoma Wellness, so I started coming over here, and he put me on a plan to get me going again because it'd been several months. And I'm now in maintenance. I come once a month and I see Dr. Petro and like him very well. I like all the staff here. They welcome you with a big smile every time you come in. And I just feel like my overall wellness is very good, mainly because I do keep up with my chiropractic care. I recommend Texoma Wellness to anyone coming to town or that lives here, and recommend Dr. Tuck, Dr. Petro. I think they're excellent chiropractors, and for your overall health, I think this is the place to be.